As our portfolio expands, so does the demand for bespoke fit-outs. Our in-house capabilities allow us to efficiently scale production, crafting plug-and-play furniture tailored to each project's unique requirements, saving valuable time and resources. Welcome to AK Interiors. Today we are offering you an exclusive walkthrough to our CII Green Pro certified manufacturing facility. This tour is designed to showcase our in-house capabilities, innovative processes, and the meticulous craftsmanship that define our commitment to excellence. By maintaining complete control over our production process, we ensure superior quality and flexibility to adapt swiftly. This approach not only upholds our high standards but also translates into significant time savings for our clients, enabling faster project completion and delivery. In fact, our streamlined operation can save up to 5 days in your project completion, ensuring spaces are ready when you need them. Our mission is to deliver unparalleled quality. With our dedicated manufacturing unit, we elevate this core value, ensuring every project reflects our high standard. In our previous video, we introduced RDash, our cutting-edge construction management platform. RDash streamlines the entire project lifecycle, from site surveys, design management, to proposal and activity scheduling, ensuring accurate dimension and efficient workflows. But what does it mean for our client? At AK Interiors, our clients are at the heart of everything we do. Our integrated approach offers distinct advantages that directly benefit you. The first advantage is quality product delivery, which means attention to detail, client-specified materials, and state-of-the-art manufacturing. Every element is crafted with precision and care. Client-specified material. We source and utilize materials that align with your vision and specification. And the state-of-the-art manufacturing. Our facility is equipped with the latest technology to ensure top-notch production standards. Next is hassle-free completion, minimal on-site disruption, consistent quality control. And the last is timely fit-out delivery, minimal on-site disruption. Prefabrication reduces chaos, ensuring a smoother installation process. Consistent quality control. Our in-house team maintains rigorous quality checks at every stage. Timely fit-out delivery. With streamlined processes, we guarantee on-schedule project completion. At AK Interiors, precision and quality start at the heart of our manufacturing facility. Each department plays a vital role in crafting exceptional fit-outs. With unmatched efficiency, let's take a closer look at how it's done. Laminate pressing, precision, precise adhesion, flawless surface finish, enhanced durability. Ply cutting, accurate sizing, optimized material usage, consistent quality. Edge bending, smooth finishes, polished look, enhanced durability. Multi-boring, precise drilling, perfect fittings as easy assembly. Now woodwork, sizing, marking, cutting, sanding and polishing. Detailed craftsmanship, smooth sanding, impeccable polishing. Now metal fabrication unit, custom metal components, strength and durability, precise finishing. Then upholstery work, ergonomic check, perfect cushioning, detailed stitching. Every detail is crafted with precision at AK Interiors. Our in-house manufacturing ensures quality and efficiency in every piece. This is how we bring your vision to life, one detail at a time. By choosing AK Interiors, you're not just selecting a service provider. You're partnering with a team dedicated to transforming your vision into reality with efficiency and excellence. With our in-house manufacturing and dedicated team, we ensure exceptional quality, efficiency, and a seamless experience from concept to completion. Partner with us to transform your ideas into reality, creating spaces that inspire and endure.